Benvenuti tutti, that's Soda Pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching Malak. And today we're doing an acquire, and I am super excited about this piece. I've wanted a piece from this artist for such a long time. They did a sketch sale, and so I was able to actually afford one of the pieces that they were selling, which is I haven't been able to for a while. It is Hans Olo from South Korea, part of the Superani crew. Got a cute little sticker on there. The envelope packaged well enough, made it here safely, and damn is it cool. It's got a cool little note. Yeah, I love Hans Olo's works. He was a little worried, so I showed him the piece I was interested in, and he's like, yeah, that sounds good. We agreed on a price. And he's like, dude, I'm so sorry, because I originally saw this one. I was like, yeah, this is the one I want. He's like, I'm sorry, there's another drawing attached to that page. I was being kind of silly, and I forgot about that. Is that okay? I was like, yeah. two drawings. I was excited, and I love both of these. I love Hans Olo's works. You should check him out. Amazing artist. I am so grateful for this piece. I'm very glad it arrived safely, and I can't wait to get it framed and hanging up somewhere. So excited about this work. As always, I post reproductions from my collection to my Patreon, because the fact that I'm able to get things in the future, I want to be able to use my Patreon to support artists and get content for the channel, like buying art books and buying original art. So when you join the Patreon, you get access to high resolution scans and reproductions of works, so you can kind of see the stuff that I collect. And I think it's a great way to share art and also support artists at the same time. Check it out in the description if you're interested. Thank you so much, Hans Olo, for this amazing drawing. I'm so happy to have this. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you guys again. This is Malak, and I'm heading out. Take care.